The first official look of the Galaxy Z Flip 4 is here. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, as you know that the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is one of the successful device in the Samsung foldable market just because the fact that it is coming with a smaller price tag as compared to its bigger brother the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now Samsung is moving forward towards the Galaxy Z Flip 4 launch in the month of August. Particularly August 10 is the latest leak coming for the launch of the upcoming foldable unpacked event. We already know through leaks and rumors about the spec sheet of the Galaxy Z Flip 3, which pretty much confirms every single detail about the device. Today we have got a leak coming from a YouTube channel TechTalkTV which give us the first hand look of the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Basically, if you look at these leak videos and photos, there is going to be confirmation that the design of the upcoming Z Flip 4 will be going to be same as the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Like we have the dual camera setup on the back side. As far as the overall design is concerned, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be having a lighter design because of the new hinge, and it's looking slimmer as compared to the Z Flip 3. Anyhow, if you look at the screen size, it's going to be similar as its predecessor, nothing changed here, and you will see that there is going to be significant difference in terms of the crease that is coming for the Z Flip 4. Basically, it's going to be in line with the leaks and rumors that are coming from Ice Universe that this time around we have seen the crease that is going to be less noticeable, and that is true by looking at these images that has been leaked today. And the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be having an outer display which is going to be slightly larger as compared to its predecessor. But in real life, if you have both the devices side by side, then you can find the difference. Other than that, I don't think that you will find a difference in the outer display screen. The camera on the back side confirms to be coming with same 12 megapixel of main and 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera. So nothing is going to be changing in terms of the camera sensor. The front camera is also going to be same as 10 megapixel as its predecessor. When it comes to the foldable design, you will be seeing that it's going to be having the similar design as the Z Flip 3. Even having a new hinge, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will have a small gap in the body of the device when it's folded. The fingerprint sensor on the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be placed on the side power button. Now, as far as the batteries is concerned, it's going to be coming with a 3700 milliamp of a battery capacity, which is going to be more than enough according to the source because it's performed better than its predecessor. I think that there could be two reasons that this battery is going to be performing better. One, it's going to be having a bigger battery. Second, a new power efficient chip that is coming for the foldable devices are the reason to be performing better by the Z Flip 4 in terms of battery. As far as the charging speed is concerned, it's coming with a 25 watt of fast charging support. So definitely it's a big jump as compared to its predecessor that was coming at 15 watt of charging. And guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.